Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an amazing technique that will help you master all the amino acids in just 3 minutes. Are you ready to excel in your biology studies? Let's get started. So, what exactly are amino acids? Well, these compounds are the essential molecules that form proteins, crucial for the proper functioning of our bodies. Amino acids are the building blocks of life, crucial for protein synthesis. 20 standard amino acids play unique roles in various biological processes. But with over 20 to memorize, it can be quite a challenge. That's where our technique comes in. To start, let's break down the amino acids into 5 categories: nonpolar, polar uncharged, negatively charged, positively charged, and special cases. First, the nonpolar amino acids. We have alanine, glycine, isoleucine, leucine, methionine, phenylalanine, proline, tryptophan, and valine. Remember their unique structures and their hydrophobic nature. Next, the polar uncharged amino acids. Serine, threonine, cysteine, tyrosine, asparagine, and glutamine. These have slightly hydrophilic properties and play important roles in enzyme activity and protein folding. Moving on to the negatively charged amino acids. We have aspartic acid and glutamic acid, also known as aspartate and glutamate. Keep in mind their acidic nature, which allows them to negatively charge. Now, the positively charged amino acids. We have histidine, lysine, and arginine. These amino acids are basic and carry a positive charge, vital for protein structure and enzymatic function. Lastly, the special cases. These include cysteine, which forms unique disulfide bonds, and glycine, the simplest amino acid. These are exceptions to the rule, so remember them separately. And there you have it. The fascinating world of amino acids decoded and organized for quick memorization. Remember, practice and creativity are your best tools for mastering this knowledge. By categorizing and visualizing the amino acids, you'll be able to memorize them quickly and easily. It's all about connecting the dots in your mind. Congratulations! You've just mastered all the amino acids in just 3 minutes. Now, go ace that biology exam and unlock a whole new level of understanding. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, happy learning. This is the Curious Cosmos signing off.